Every organisation needs to align itself and its employees with its purpose. Where an organisation claims that its purpose is to be innovative or supportive of scientific innovation, then there might be some expectation that such purpose is reflected within their organisational goals and strategies. In this case, then, the use of clearly defined goals and strategies relating to invention and innovation should be integrated into day-to-day research operations, ideally with the ability to link institutional goals and strategies with those of each employee, especially the researchers. This is particularly important where researchers within a public research institute, for example, are expected to deliver definable impact as part of their performance, or where the purpose of the organisation is to provide training and practical experience in scientific innovation and entrepreneurship. However, to achieve innovation and encourage entrepreneurship as part of an organisation's purpose requires that those involved in management and the researchers themselves actually understand the nature and differences of goals and strategies. And unfortunately, because such matters have traditionally been founded in and borrowed from the military or business spheres, too few in science are aware of their relevance to research and innovation management. I became interested in both military and business strategy many years ago, and grasping the significance of what I learned, I started to weave such approaches into my writings on scientific research program management. Paraphrasing the work of Bengt Karloff on business strategy in the late 1980s, a goal is founded in the combination of a vision with a given level of ambition. The level of ambition reflects the degree of desire and the motivation to perform. Goals, though, are intimately linked to the actions necessary to achieve them within a particular specified time frame. Often for a research program, that's 3 years. The means by which a goal is achieved is dependent on the strategy, the means, the activities, processes, approaches required to deliver it. A strategy is the means by which a goal is obtained, and there may be multiple strategies per goal. Goals are all linked to their strategies in a hierarchical way, so that the goals at one level become the strategy at the level above it, and conversely, the strategy at one level becomes the goal of the level below it. It is this interconnectedness that causes confusion about the differences of goals and strategies. But this same characteristic means it's possible to build what I referred to back in 1995 as a strategic tree. The hierarchical nature of goals and strategies means that in theory, using a strategic tree, it is possible for a goal of government to be translated through strategy and goals at successive levels, from science policy to government agencies, to departments within agencies, to public research institutes, to departments and projects within departments, all the way down to the goals and activities of an individual scientist, all interlinked. In reality, of course, this is not always easy to achieve and may not be practical, but as a principle it is relevant and achievable within most organisations, not least where its clearly defined purpose creates the starting point. So if a government requires a nation to have significant innovative capacity, to be an innovative nation, then the organisations within it need to be able to demonstrate, not just through their purpose but through their everyday goals and strategies, their commitment to this end. It is often easy for an organisation to claim it is addressing and committing to being innovative without actually making any changes to the way the organisation acts or its employees behave in this respect. Goals and strategies at every level of an organisation that reflect the needs of creating an innovative organisation provides the foundation for ensuring integration within day-to-day operations. Think in terms of training in innovation and entrepreneurship. This is often seen as a bolt-on activity, a series of workshops, online seminars that supposedly will do the job of creating innovative capability within an organisation. However, to train, to develop know-how and skills, to develop a culture of innovation in such a way that it's practiced by individuals, to do this requires that the goals and strategies at the level of the organisation to be aligned and integrated with those for every individual. Where a goal at an institutional level may be to deliver innovative solutions to address issues within a particular domain, the strategy to resolve such issues may involve undertaking research. A scientific researcher should have a goal along the lines of to develop my personal capacity to be innovative and to undertake research in the field of X in order to deliver greatest impact to meet customer and end user needs, and for colleagues similarly in fields Y and Z, the same sort of goal. The goal for the scientist researcher then becomes the strategies for that researcher's line manager. For example, strategy 1, to provide formal and informal opportunities for skills development, on-the-job training and mentorship to encourage entrepreneurship. Strategy 2, to create a positive culture and means within each role to allow experimentation and failure through 2 research projects, one to achieve formal project goals of X, Y or Z, and the other to test off-the-wall ideas as individuals or teams. And I've done this in practice. Strategy 3, to ensure delivery to project needs are met in the fields of X, Y and Z. And strategy 4, to understand customer and end user needs and have these integrated in the efforts of my research team. The goal of that research manager then becomes to recruit, encourage, support and grow the scientific, entrepreneurial and innovative talents of our researchers, to deliver projects in the fields of X, Y and Z, and ensure the outputs of the research meet market needs, expectations and specifications that will deliver most impacts for our customer and end users. The importance of goals and strategies at every level of an organisation is crucial to the integration and alignment of purpose and delivery of that purpose to the needs of customers and end users. Ensuring that innovation and entrepreneurship is built into that purpose requires that goals and strategies are appropriately aligned so that activities are not just bolt-on activities but integrated into day-to-day operations of all staff who know they each share common goals and strategies.